If you're a visual person, it can be really helpful when pulling up a patient's account to quickly see in color whether a patient is overdue or maybe has a credit. There's lots of other ways you can use color coding as well, so enjoy this tip of the week.
Hey everybody, today's Medisoft tips and tricks comes from the color coding that is available in Medisoft to do both on patients and in transactions. There's a lot of things in Medisoft that can make your usage there more efficient. It can help you to avoid more clicks or going to different screens to get information. Color coding is one of those features that just kind of allows you to visually see what's going on a patient's account. Kind of helps you go to the line items that may need individual attention. So it can be a really handy, nice, time-saving organization type tool. Let me show you how that works. If I go into a patient ledger, if a transaction entry, pull up a patient's account here, everything is white. There's no colors, right? It's if I press the F7 key to go into the ledger, again, I'm in the ledger. It's hard to see what line items may need attention, what line items may be still outstanding, what payments may not have been applied or over applied, things like that. So that's use number one. The second option is in the patient list. Again, here you can color code patients to mean different things. I'll show you that in just a minute. So let's go set this up first of all. We'll do that in the program options. And when that opens, you'll have a tab called color coding. Let's start with the transactions over on the left side of the screen, the transactions. I'm going to click the use color coding, and here's your different colors here. And you can switch these colors if you like, but you've got no payments or partially paid or overpaid and so on. So I'm just going to hit save here. Hit OK. And now we'll go back into the same transaction entry or the same patient ledger. And now you can see the different colors that are there. If I press F7 to go to the patient's quick ledger, same colors are there as well. Now, here's the key. You want to right click, you want to go to show color legend, and now the legend will show you what the colors mean. So these aqua blue means that they've been partially paid. They're not zeroed out yet, but they're partially paid. The darker gray means that no payments have been applied to those charges. If I had over applied or under unapplied payments here, they would show up in either the fuchsia or the red, and those would really stand out to you. So that's color coding the transactions. Again, if you're in transaction entry, just right click, go to show color legend wherever you are, and that just if you need a reminder when you start using this, what those different colors mean. They can really help you focus on those line items that may need attention. Second option is the patient color coding. I'm going to go back to program options here real quick. I'm going to turn that feature on. Use patient flags. Now you can type in here whatever you want these different colors to mean. I just typed in some random examples here for you to see, but type in whatever you want or whatever you have use for. You can use only a few of them. You can use all the colors, whatever works best for you. So let's go in now to the patient list, and now you can see again different color codes here that I'd already previously set up. Same with the transaction color coding. You can right click and do show patient flag legend, and here's your legend here. It tells you the different meanings behind those colors you see. So over the course of working with Medisoft, I've seen people use this in a very limited capacity, or some use it using all the colors. It's really up to you. If you have a need to use it, this can really be a time-saving organizational type tool. So use color coding in transactions, use the patient color coding or flagging in your patient list. Hope this information help you use Medisoft just a little bit more efficient, a little bit quicker, and get the job done better.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.